Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and I'm going to show you a new scalping strategy today with a very high win rate. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. Let's start off by opening a Euro USD chart with a 1-minute time frame. And now let's go to our indicator section and type in Ultimate Moving Average. And this is the one we want here by Neno Gabriel. And with this indicator, we can see we have a line with a green section, and that's when we're in the uptrend. And also the red section indicates when the market is in a downtrend, okay? Now, our second indicator will be Wave Trend Oscillator. So let's type in Wave Trend, no spaces, then Oscillator. And this is the one we want here by Lazy Bear. We can see it has 45,332 users, right? It's a very popular indicator. Let's go ahead and add this one. And then let's go to Settings, and then Style. And we're just going to change the color of the first plot here to white. And then we're going to uncheck these next 4 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the 5th plot box, we're just going to change the color to yellow. Okay. And we'll also uncheck the next 2 plot boxes here. And also, let's go to Inputs. And then we're going to change the channel length to 100. And then hit OK. And so with this indicator, whenever we see the yellow line goes above this white line here, then we know we're in the uptrend. And whenever the yellow line is below the white line here, then we know that we're in a downtrend, okay? And our third and final indicator will be QQE mod. Let's search for that one. Here we go. And let's go to Settings, Inputs, and then we'll change the RSI length to 50. And then let's go to Style, and we're just gonna uncheck these 2 boxes here, the QQE line and the Histo 2, and then hit OK. So we can see we have a histogram here, okay? And whenever the histogram is above the 0 line and it has this blue color, then we know we're in a uptrend. And whenever it's below the 0 line and has this pink color, then we can see we're in a downtrend, okay? So with these conditions in mind from our 3 indicators, let's go ahead and take a look at our chart to find our buy positions and sell positions, okay? So right here we can see a section of our chart where the ultimate moving average is green, and where our wave trend oscillator is above the 0 line, and also the QQE mod is above the 0 line here, the histogram, and it's blue, okay? So we know that right here would be a very good buy signal, okay? And if you take a look right here, you can see that the market is going into a downtrend. The ultimate moving average is red at this point, and the wave trend oscillator is going below the 0 line, and also the QQE mod indicator is below the 0 line, the histogram. So we know that right here would be a very good selling position, okay? Here's another good section here. We can see that the line is green with our ultimate moving average indicator, and also the wave trend oscillator is above the 0 line, and the QQE mod histogram is also above the 0 line here. So we can look at the histogram and it's blue, so we know that right here would be another good buy signal, okay? And also let's take a look at the GBP USD chart. So take a look right here, guys. We see we have our ultimate moving average. The line is red and the market is going into a downtrend. We see our wave trend oscillator is going below the 0 line, and the QQE mod indicator is below the 0 line, and the histogram is pink. So we know right here would be another great sell signal. And right here again, guys, the histogram is above the 0 line and blue for our QQE mod indicator. Our wave trend oscillator indicator is going above the 0 line, and we can see the market is also above the ultimate moving average line. So we know that right here would be another great buy signal, okay guys? So you can see this is a very accurate strategy, guys. So hopefully you can get some positive results from it, alright? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.